Let's be blunt. Online data is the lifeblood of your business. Everything you do online to grow your business, from your website to your social media presence, generates valuable data. Here's the bottom line. If you're currently working with someone and they aren't transparent about the results, you're in the dark. You should be seeing clear metrics, website traffic, engagement, conversions, and ultimately money being made. If your website isn't making you money and your online efforts aren't converting, you're literally throwing money away. As a business owner, understanding your online reputation is crucial. So you have two choices. Choice number one, dive into your online analytics yourself. This requires time and effort, but it gives you complete control and empowers you to make an informed decision. Option two, hire someone who specializes in online analytics. This expert can analyze your data, understand your audience, and help you create strategies for growth. Ignoring your online data is like driving a car blindfolded. You're headed towards trouble. Take control of your online presence and unlock the potential for your business to thrive.